up, guys? Welcome to my channel again, and today is another beautiful day to showcase Nairobi, you guys. So I'm very proud of this one because this is my motherland. This is my city, my town, you guys. And specifically, I decided let's go through Nairobi Expressway as I go to the Whistle Moran. But the main focus today is to show you the mighty Nairobi Expressway. So you guys, if you're new to the channel, please smash the button and like the channel. Please share it with your friend. Please subscribe, you guys, and definitely you get to help me build a community right here where I showcase the motherland, you guys, in a unique way. So karibu sana. Without further ado, let's get straight into this. Let me show you how Nairobi Express looks like. Let me give you a couple of facts about it, and definitely the benefits of expressway, because you guys, this is the capital city of Africa. Hey, come for me in the comment section, you guys. But you already know I still love everyone in the continent. You guys are my brothers, yo. Yes, so let's start with some of the facts about Nairobi Expressway. So Nairobi Expressway is 27.36 kilometers, that is 17 miles. It was constructed and completed in 2020, you guys. That is immediately after COVID. So it starts at Lolongo, passes through jkia and Nairobi CBD, and terminates at James Gishuru Junction along Wayaki Way. Yes, guys, for those who don't know where that exactly is, kama ujui, please Google up. You will understand what exactly I'm talking about. Yes, so users are required to pay a toll fee to use this expressway. It's definitely not for free. Yeah, and so many people, my friends and the people I've traveled with using the expressway, already have it prepaid. Yeah, so you just like prepay, and as you go by, you don't have to like stop and talk to the toll attendant and stuff like that. So I urge everybody to just do that, and then you will have a smooth ride like this, you guys. Yes, so the main purpose of this expressway is to elevate traffic congestion, improve connectivity to the airport, and enhance the overall transportation infrastructure in Nairobi. You already know Nairobi is crazy. It's a jungle in here, bro. So with an expressway, people can move from one side of the city to the other seamlessly. Yep. So the project was funded through a public-private partnership arrangement with the China Road and a Bridge Corporation. So pretty much there's a partnership between Kenya and China right there. And you guys, we got this mightiest, massive, mighty, ginormous, marvelous expressway. Musinijali, mi napenda tukuchocha, you guys. You already know. Yes, guys. So as we continue the SGR, let's take a small break. And when I come back, I will be telling you exact benefits of this mighty, beautiful road that makes it the capital city of Africa, you guys. Hey. Munilete shida. I know my Kenyan people are ready to defend me in the channel, you guys. So let's go, guys. Awesome, guys. I hope you enjoyed that song. That song is from my Moran brothers in the north, called the Samburu Warriors, you guys. From Kenya, my motherland. Yo, they're so gifted. I just have to give them a big shout. They're called Tabioy Music, for those asking. Yeah, people keep asking me some of the music I use. Yes, belongs to them. So you guys, let's continue with our importance of using the expressway. I hope you're loving it so far. As you can see, it's very clean. It's just, one of those beautiful places you just want to go through. No traffic. It's just seamless. It has an easy payment system. But let's dive into the nitty-gritties. Pretty much the importance of using the expressway, or pretty much having an expressway in Nairobi. So let's go straight into it. First of all, number one on the list is to reduce traffic congestion. So this expressway provides a dedicated route for traffic, reducing congestion on existing roads. If you live in Nairobi, you understand the pain of moving from one direction, especially during high peak times. The traffic is mad. It's mental. It's bonkers, you guys. Yes, that's number one. Number two, it improves the connectivity from one point to the other. So it offers a more efficient route to the airport, benefiting travelers and businesses. Number three, pretty much for the economic development of a nation. So this specific project is expected to boost economic activity in Nairobi by improving accessibility, therefore attracting investments. Oh la la. Number four, it enhances transportation infrastructure. Clearly, as you can see already, my journey, my road trip has been smooth this far, you guys. So the expressway is a significant addition to Nairobi's transportation network. No kidding, no cap for the Gen Alpha or Gen Z. Yeah, no cap, you guys. I'm buzzing right now. I just have to borrow this few words here and there. Yeah, so pretty much improving overall infrastructure and development. So you guys, if you think you're in New York, nah. This is Nairobi, the capital city of Kenya, for those who do not know. And you guys, I hope you already understand the benefits, and I hope it's clear to everyone, as you can just see the scenery of expressway. It's so beautiful, my God. And definitely I will give you a couple of takeaway points here and there, and more information for those trying to find this on the internet. My job is to make your work easier. I told you, where I go, we go together. I am that nice student and teacher at the same time. So let's learn together. Let's teach each other things here and there. And definitely we'll grow together. So yes, finally, let me just add a couple of information here and there. And this is it. So the Nairobi Expressway is a 4-lane dual carriage with multiple interchanges connecting it to the other main major roads of Nairobi. Tolls are collected electronically using an electronic toll collection, aka ETC system. So this expressway is expected to significantly improve travel times between the airport and the city center. And so far, you guys, it's doing magic. Usually when you go to the jkia, you take forever. But with this expressway, no kidding, you guys, 5 minutes you're there. So no more getting late and rushing to the airport, because I understand the madness and it is crazy. So if you have other maybe fun facts about the expressway, other facts that I've not mentioned for my Kenyan brothers and sisters, please feel free to drop it in the comment. Let's have a conversation there. If maybe I said something that's not accurate, please correct me down on the comment section. That's where the juice goes. That's where the magic happens. So you guys, I'm almost done with the expressway. As I told you, it's 27 kilometers, and that just felt like a minute, you guys. Yo, it's almost done. Yep, and I am enjoying myself so far, and I hope you're loving this. And if there's a specific road you want me to cover, I am definitely your employee, you guys. So mnaniambia tu na vitu zinaenda like that, you know? Yes, guys. So as I said, I am going to, the road trip is pretty much to take me to the Whistle Moran, where we have a reunion with other startup backed by the Baobab Network. I will have a detailed video, the next part 2 of this vlog, because pretty much this is me showing you me going there to the Whistle Moran for a go-kart resting, you guys. So that's the main point of the road trip. And as you can see, I just needed to say something, a sneak peek of, let me just say something. I was not meant to say this, but let me just say this. So pretty much I lost a very close friend on this road. So as I even do this video, clearly it's just an honor. As much as I show you the beauty of Nairobi, it's always a remembrance of my fallen soldier, fallen friend who died on this road. So got a very bad accident near the Mlolongo area, which is almost close by, and I always remember this part. At first I took so much time to actually use this route from the trauma and everything, but I'm finally beating it, and that's why I'm actually showcasing it, and I am so proud to showcase Nairobi, guys. So may this be a remembrance of a fallen soldier, and pretty much show the beauty of Nairobi and show you, yeah, the mighty expressway. And definitely, guys, when you're on this, please make sure to not overspeed, and make sure to stay sober, because this road, there's not like other cars nearby. It's just easy to like speed by. So caution to everyone using this, always a remembrance: drive safely and don't drink and drive. Yes, it is what it is. Yep, guys, so as you can see, I'm almost done with the route. So before we get to Whistle Moran, let's take a short break. Let me entertain you kidogo as you enjoy the beautiful expressway. Finally, I am at the destination. So this is the Whistle Moran, as I said, and it's just like a very chill place, very quiet, not so many people. And there is the go-kart place. The ground is just grounding. It's waiting for a massive battle between the brains. Hey, all the best, the baddest startups in Kenya right now. Yo, guys, are you ready for this big event? Because if you're not, I am ready to rest with the brilliant minds of the startup world. Yeah, so as I said, today we are coming to battle it out as much as we is in our, in our brains and stuff. Let's come and battle it out today. Let's race it out, you guys. Let's just release some steam. And as you can see, we are here, and I am ready to battle it out. So you guys, look out for part 2 of this road trip, where I show you how to beat the people coming, you guys. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Please smash the like button. Please subscribe and share it with your friends. Until part 2, guys, please watch it, because it's gonna be a battle of the minds. As I said, All startups backed up by Boabab will be here, and the new cohorts are joining in. So the newbies in the building, I will be definitely bullying all of them on the race. Hey, hey. Until next time, see you guys. I love you so much. Mwah.